Hi and welcome to today's video, where I will teach you a tiny little mindfulness exercise that you can wonderfully integrate into your daily life. A little mindfulness here and there can get you a long way on a day-to-day basis. When you feel overwhelmed or stressed, when you feel so tense that every little thing seems to get under your skin, when you feel too much anxiety, or when you feel really down and low. Mindfully being in the present for just a moment or two can snap you out of negative emotions and provide you more peace and calm in the long run. So, let's do a little exercise together so that I can demonstrate you how easy it is. It doesn't take a long time. You don't need specific skills to do that, and you can do it everywhere and anytime you are. So this brief exercise of mindfulness consists only of 5 or 6 breaths. And it's best to be practiced, let's say, 5 times a day, which would make it 5 minutes a day. The exercise contains 3 very simple steps. In the first step, it will help you to step out of your automatic pilot and just become more aware of what you're doing right now, where you are, and what you're thinking. In the second step, you are just becoming aware of your breathing for about a minute or 6 breaths. And in the third step, you expand your awareness to your whole body and then to your environment, as if you could take it all in. So the first thing we do with this practice, because it's very brief and we want to come into the moment quickly, is to take a comfortable position. Be relaxed, yet dignified, tall, not stiff. Just letting your body express a sense of being present and awake. Very good. And now, just closing your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. And now, the first step is being aware, really aware of what is going on with you right now. Becoming aware of what is going on through your mind, what thoughts are around. And here again, as best as you can, just noticing the thoughts as mental events, without any judgment of bad or good thoughts. Just thoughts, just an event. And so you notice them. And then notice the feelings that are around at the moment as well. You can turn toward any sense of discomfort and unpleasant feelings as well. And so rather than to try to push them away or to shut them out, you can just acknowledge them. Perhaps you want to say something like, there you are. That's how it is right now. It's okay. And similarly with the sensations in the body. Are there sensations of tension, of holding, or something different? And again, just become aware of them, simply noticing them, saying, okay, that's how it is right now. And so you've got a sense of what is going on right now. Well done. So you already stepped out of the automatic pilot mode more into your present. And now we can move to the second step, which is to collect your awareness by focusing on one single thing. Let's say you focus only on the movements of the breath. And so focusing your attention now on the movements of the abdomen, or maybe another point of your breathing, maybe the nostrils or the top of the mouth, the rise and fall of the breath. And just spending a minute or so to focus on the movement of the breath. Noticing how your abdomen expands and contracts. how your nostrils take in the fresh air, moment by moment, breath by breath, as best as you can. So that you know when the breath is moving in and you know when the breath is moving out. And your breath becomes your anchor to really be present. Wonderful. And now we can move to the third step. You being here and now, allowing your awareness to expand. As well as being aware of the breath, you can now also include a sense of the body as a whole, so that you can experience a much more spacious awareness. Taking note of your body, and then even the space around your body. Getting a sense of your body as a whole, including any tightness or sensations related to holding the shoulders, the neck, the back, or maybe the face. That's right, following the breath as if your whole body is breathing, expanding and experiencing more spacious awareness. Great, well done. And then when you are ready, you can just allow your eyes to open again and then continue with your daily activity. That is how easy and fast it is to create moments of recharge for yourself, bringing yourself back to here and now, out of the circle of worries, stresses, rumination. Just keep practicing this tiny exercise 5 to 6 times a day, just in between, whenever you like and wherever you are. And for now, have a lovely day. Oh, and if you are intrigued and you would like to learn more about mindfulness and how it can help with anxiety specifically, I have created a course that approaches this emotion in a mindful manner. It will help you to understand anxiety better and reduce it in only 7 days. It's a little video course where I'm guiding you through one exercise and one specific topic related to anxiety a day. It comes with audio recordings that you can download and take with you to practice and enjoy wherever you are. So you can either purchase it on my website, or you can subscribe to a support and care plan that I'm about to develop. And it will offer much more material and live sessions every month. So check it out on happinesscoding.com. And now again, have a lovely day. I'm Christine Philipp, and I say bye for now.